Yes, so this is the presentation of my deep learning of Week 46, Model 4, year 2025 to 2026. Suggestion from last week, nothing. There is no suggestion.
From the previous week, did you have any suggestion?
No, this one. No, I don't have.
No, no? Okay.
5 steps. First, understanding the concept. Second, solving numerical exercises of that concept. Third, practical application as per the book. Fourth, practical application in my own surrounding. And fifth, how will I utilize this concept in my own life? That it will impact me and my own community directly, or how can I leverage the concept to provide a better service. So I learn in science condensation, evaporation, freezing, gas, humidity, liquid, melting, solid, water cycle, water vapor. So in condensation, when
Chapter is this?
this is about this one science, is chapter 8.
Yes, we can.
So in science, condensation is if you are if I can give example of boiling water. You are boiling the water and then the गैस इज जब उसमें से जो गैस निकलता है जब गैस निकलता है तो जब वो जाके किसी ठंडे चीज़ से जब when he comes out from the boiled water the gas and when he touch any cold area it will convert into drop form water drop like बूंदों में वो convert हो जाता है so that process we called condensation and evaporation. Evaporation is if you are जो boiling water liquid form से जो गैस निकलता है when we are boiling the water and anything जब उसमें जो गैस निकलता है that process we call evaporation. And freezing, if you are freezing anything in solid form like in water, I take a water in a ice maybe in a form of ice cube like in freeze. जैसे हम वाटर को उसमें maybe ice cube we call that जब उसमें जब डालते हैं and then we convert into that process is called freezing. And gas, when gas is also means these all same little same like gas if you are any liquid form if you are giving heat and when it comes gas from that the, that is called gas. Humidity means there is like जो evaporation जो गैस जो निकल के जो बाहर एरिया में रहता है काफ़ी सारा जो गैस बाहर मतलब आई कैन से जो हम वाटर बॉईल करते हैं या फिर कोई भी चीज़ अगर ऐसा और जो हम लिक्विड फॉर्म को अगर हम उसमें अगर हीट देते हैं उसे तो जो उसमें से जो गैस निकलता है तो वो उसे जो बाहर में सबसे ज़्यादा जो गैस होता है इकट्ठा करके उसे हम ह्यूमिडिटी वी कॉल दैट ह्यूमिडिटी in liquid which in like we can take example of water milk which is in that is we call liquid form like we can give example of water milk and I can say juice also so that is in liquid form. In melting if you are in freezing first there is a water we are freezing the water and it convert into ice and then we are take out the ice from the freeze and then put some heat on that and when it convert into water so that process is called melting. And solid when we are freezing something it will hard we can hold in our hand So that means anything like water, if we are we can hold in our hand, it is in hard form. So that is called solid. जैसे freezing में जब हम ice cube रखते ice जब वो बर्फ जब बनता है, so we can hold in our hand, वो solid shape होता है. And water cycles, water cycle I will show you in next. There is a picture of water cycle. So and water vapor. Okay, I can show you here. Water cycle. So first, जो पानी बाहर like there is a water in the ground, and then then heat sunlight come, like sometimes we can see in the rainy season, in there is a some water कहीं कहीं पे water collect हो जाता है. So sometimes we think about where, and then when we went after sometimes we can see there is no water. So I sometimes we think where water went gone. So when sun heat comes, जब वो वाटर लाइक इन सड़क पे रोड पे जब वो वाटर जो गड्ढे में रहता है कलेक्ट हुआ रहता है, तो जब उसमें सनलाइट जो पड़ती है जिसकी वजह से उसे जब हीट का प्रोसेस हीट जब उसमें मिलता है, जिसकी वजह से वो वाटर वेपर में वो बदल जाता है, लाइक हियर इज वाटर. सो दैट प्रोसेस जो उसमें जो वाटर वेपर में जो उसमें से जो भाप के जैसे गैस के जैसे निकलता है, जिसका कोई शेप नहीं होता है, वी कैन नॉट सी द गैस विच इज जो उसमें से निकलता है. सो आफ्टर समटाइम्स देन जो उसमें से भाप जो वाटर में से जो गैस की तरह निकलता है, उसे हम इवेपोरेशन कहते हैं. जैसे लाइक हियर इज वाटर इज कलेक्टिंग हियर, देन सनलाइट कम on then sunlight on the come on the water, and it becomes in a form gas form, and this process we call evaporation. And then it it becomes like so much gas collected, and it becomes a cloud. And then when so much cloud, like here so much it becomes cloud here, then it causes condensation. And then when it फिर जो क्लाउड जब वो बनता है, देन इट तब बारिश होती है, जिसे हम प्रेसिपिटेशन कहते हैं. और फिर वो वाटर पहले धरती पर से ऊपर जाते हैं, ऊपर जाने पे जो गैस होता है वो ड्रॉप फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट ज़्यादा इकट्ठा होकर फिर वो क्लाउड के शेप में बनता है. क्लाउड के शेप में बनने के बाद वो फिर वो जब ज़्यादा हो जाता है, तो देन अगेन वो फिर वो बारिश मतलब बारिश होती है. तो उस प्रोसेस को हम कहते हैं प्रेसिपिटेशन. So this is I learned in science. And in math I learned how to find area of triangle, pentagon, hexagon and trapezium.
Yes, Nanda, can you help me? Water cycle के बाद क्या लिखा है?
Water vapor, which I talk about. Water vapor, which I talk about here, and it water becomes in gas form. So this process you call it.
And precipitation you already knew before, or is it new also precipitation?
No, here it is.
Here you mentioned it, but it is not in the concepts.
Here means when I found the picture of this, then I learn about precipitation.
Okay.
In science it is done. And this is
So this is the entire chapter 8 of science, or is there more in that chapter?
No, it is.
Huh?
Itna hi, no, it is.
Nice.
Yeah, I learned only these are some points which is mentioned in last of the page of the chapter. So almost everything is covered, all the points. Yeah, this is me. There is so many practical activity. So I did not did this, but या जैसे कपड़े सुखाना, तो कपड़े सुखा देन ऑब्जर्व दैट कि उसमें पानी कैसे निकल रहा है किसी का. देयर इज एक्टिविटी. सो आई डिड नॉट डिड दैट एक्टिविटी, बट या दीज आर द पॉइंट्स. उसको मैंने काफी शॉर्ट फॉर्म में बताया कि आई अंडरस्टैंड. हाँ, इतने ही पॉइंट्स.
Can I see the book? Now, do you have a drawing of this?
Which one?
Draw a detailed sketch with labels and caption about what happens to the water.
No, I did not.
So, are you watching the summaries or are you going through
I
videos?
did both.
You did both.
Summary also,
Mhm.
and class wise also all the topics I cover.
Mhm.
In summary also all the topics cover, and in classes also all the topics cover.
Mhm.
I take all the points from the
Uh-huh.
um, from here.
Mhm. The keywords.
Keywords.
Mhm. What are your thoughts about these words?
No, I did not read about think about these words. Experiment, investigate, and observe, and predict, question, listen, and record. Maybe this is more practical.
Yeah, this is about, these are the keywords that a scientist uses. They do the experiment, like what here. Okay, I think there is some kind of experiment, and then they say observe
Mm.
and wonder. So when we are doing our observations
Mm.
and we wonder, we ask questions, and like then we come out with some reasonings and some questioning. So that is, what was the definition of scientist that you have there?
Science is a way of thinking, observing, and doing things to understand the world where we live in and to uncover the secrets of the universe.
So how does it apply to this chapter?
This definition,
Yes.
way of thinking, observing, and doing things to understand. So, thinking, this is about water,
Mhm.
and there is some. There is also some practical which we can observe, like if we are washing the clothes and putting under the sun rays, we can observe there where water went, how it can be dry. Water कहाँ कैसे जाना है. And in the roadside, I give example, like there in the on the road when in the rainy season there is some water collecting, some like गड्ढे में water जब collect होते हैं. So we can observe that where it went, water, where the water gone, and and then we can think about it, and we can search about it, and yeah, how it is happening.
So I love that this week, last week I also saw your video. Previous week I see that the concepts, the learning of the concepts and giving the explanations, you are doing that beautifully. Okay, the concept part is very clear. What I'm wondering is the real scientist part, which is doing some sort of experiment which the book suggests, or um, the book suggests, or another one which can be searched and found out of curiosity, because this thinks that there is some sort of scientist heart in you. So I'm just wondering that, is that something that is there some space in your schedule where you can experiment some of the things as per the chapter that you are doing, so that you get into the mode of like doing more things related to science in a practical manner. And of course, the things they are already,
I'm going to do.
and of course the guides is already here, right? What you need to use, See, like here they tell you the experiment using
No, yeah, here like
weighing machine, I think.
measurement of mass
Hmm. Because all of this is what helps develop the logical mind that okay, the predict what will happen to the mass of cold water kept on a digital weighing balance. Will it increase or decrease or remain the same? What is it this? For the reason, take a glass tumbler half filled with water with few ice cubes. Cover it with small steel plate. Read digital. We don't have a digital weighing balance, but do we have something else that can after every 5 minutes? Maybe AI can suggest what is another way to do this experiment without machine, or if we require a machine, then maybe we can, put it in the ask sir about it. If we think that this is some वेइंग मशीन, वो तो वेइंग मशीन है जहाँ पे हम लोग अपना वजन नापते हैं ना, दैट इज सेल्फ could work. Stay in tight. Don't go out. When you are watching the videos, are they doing these examples?
which one example?
For example,
They are
activity 8.8.
They are just explain. They are not doing practical. They
Hmm.
are just explain. ऐसे ऐसे इसमें ऐसे ऐसे करना है.
So just reading of what they are reading, what is mentioned here, but
Little they are just they are not doing practically, but they are explaining how to do and what will you observe that. They are
and what will you learn in that?
in science not really you are thinking.
I was thinking that when he tell what is what you like, manipulate.
Because this is full of activities. This chapter.
Only activity. So much. Observing
You
activity.
do not like that.
There is one activity to take some one जो bottle का जो होता है take a water
मैं
होता
भी
है
आपको
full of
अपने
water.
हाथों को भी मिला
देन उसको एक प्लेट में डालो, ठीक है, और फिर उसे धूप में रखो एंड देन ऑब्जर्व एवरी 5 मिनट.
Life is boring. That is boring.
That is true. That is a very big truth.
Today was a learner from
One hand with water.
There is another, take some milk and no take तो एक तो ये था and then there is another activity, take 2 cap of bottle and एक बॉटल में एक पानी आप छाँव में रखें और एक कैप का पानी आप धूप में, एंड देन ऑब्जर्व हु विल मतलब कौन सा पानी सबसे कम टाइम में
I think this one,
evaporation. Yeah, this one.
I do not understand what
This.
I mean, दो ढक्कन है.
No, you understand.
फोटो ने मुझे बता दिया.
Ah. One. What is it, like a pot? One pot here, one pot there. This is science. All right. Then what we have some next methods in separation.
Weird.
मैं आगे के
Do the
chapter
pages weapon of
हाँ जी.
आगे के pages का
Hmm?
फर्स्ट चैप्टर के पेजेस ही याद है.
First
You
chapter
you
के pages
put
का
cola
है.
weapon. Weapon of Earth.
तो इसका क्या सॉल्यूशन था? I think पहले
It
भी
is
बात हुई.
only video.
Sound video. So you can print हो सकता है, paste हो सकता है. That is another way. 4 pages are missing. 6. How many?
In first chapter there is many pages are missing. But I don't know exactly how much.
6, around 8.
No, not here.
8. यहाँ पे तो 12 चैप्टर है. So why did I write 10 in my notebook?
Where?
Yesterday when we spoke, or Friday
How
when
much
we
you have?
spoke 10. But there are 12.
आपने ना हमको बताया 10 तक था ना.
मैंने तो उसको पहले से मैं देख रही 12 चैप्टर ऐसा ऐसे मुझे 2 चैप्टर ऐसे करके कवर करना तो गोपाल भैया ने अगर एक दिन में 2 चैप्टर की तो कम से कम उसी हिसाब से मैं 2 एक हफ्ते में पूरा खत्म कर सकती.
Okay. 4 chapters are left, right? Okay. What do you write in your notebook of science or related to this chapter? Are you writing anything related to this chapter?
Not now, but
Uh-huh.
yeah, I have to write.
Uh-huh.
First, I will write all the definition of this word,
Okay.
and then I will do question answer.
What question answers you will do?
Which is given in the book.
Acha. So normally you do that? The question.
So now it is complete, so I will. How many days I'm just.
You have complete classes.
I'm said I said ये chapter complete हो गया. Chapter 8. Chapter 8 complete.
Math में.
Science.
Math में आप 2 चैप्टर
Science में almost 9 chapter 9 का exercise और रह गया 7 question. Then वो भी खत्म.
to mama. You have to do that.
Now area in math I learned about Gopal bhaiya. I learned about area.
Last
to find
कितने
area
चॉक्स
of
मिले थे
triangle.
आपको?
Area
Pentagon,
hexagon,
trapezium.
and area of
You
triangle.
have given her one chalk?
No.
So I have to do practical Gopal bhaiya. Numerical solve.
I will give
Which
one
side?
chalk. No more. Only one chalk. Whatever he gives you, you take that. Okay?
Yes, now I'm going to solve the questions.
अच्छा. क्या? Sorry, I could not hear you.
In math, I learned about how to find area of triangle, pentagon, hexagon, and trapezium shape.
अब मुझे कोई खेल आपके साथ
लाइन के इधर आप आ रही
First, I want to know how many chapters you written in the math.
Sorry?
How much chapters you written in the math?
13. This is chapter 9.
when you are the math leader.
Give me some space. I am
Don't tell me this is page in my. I had got this page.
you cannot take one piece. Here your piece. Here's pieces. Sonia Devi, here your pieces.
Okay.
I need more distance.
I tell you now.
Duster.
Duster.
Duster ले लो पूरा जी. You want to remove this?
No, in my
I
car.
want to remove it.
हम उसमें अच्छा सॉस निकाले.
I'm just
निकाला तो है.
You want this?
which question you want to do?
Give any twist. Hold that.
Whee!
The surface of a tape, the tape of the top surface of a
You
tape
should somewhere in
at
exercise.
9.1.
Where you use the answer.
I do not. I don't. The tape of the
Exercise का पहला.
पहला एकदम
Mama, my life, you. Mama, my life, and you put me in what you
play holy. Let me write.
Ali, Ali. Come here, come here. Show me what
I
you draw here.
understand.
Hmm.
Come sit with me.
But when
Come sit on me.
no, when you used to take me in the beauty also that book.
The question I give.
You have done.
I don't have. I give him.
You give her.
I give her the tip. The tape of the top surface for table is the
Let's
practice.
go nearby effect.
No, we cannot. Hello.
How are you? And then
That's for notebook. You want to do notebook first?
Is your pen? Your pen?
Which one?
Red.
Wait. Yeah.
Yeah, your. My pen.
Huh?
My thumb pen is like that. Yeah. Sometimes I confuse.
This one is red color.
Where's the pen?
he was talking about my pen.
Yeah. Hi.
I'm happy.
See? Julia.
Where?
Oh my god.
See? Go back here.
Yeah, I do.
See?
See,
See,
Julia
Julia.
hand. See, Julia hand.
Where?
Julia have hand. Okay. See, Julia papa. Julia papa, see, Julia papa.
This
You want to
line
do?
here.
What do you want? Table, the top surface of the table is black. Find the
Did
area.
this was chapter 9, right?
Area parallel side
Question
are
number 1.
1 meter and 1.2 meter and
This is.
you do not understand.
Learned.
Can you get down? Sit there.
No, you can sit there. Here, too many plates. Make like this. You can sit.
But I'm very tired.
Yeah, you are right. Mine too late. 8.4.7 per day.
I say eat something, but there's something
What should I draw?
to do. Essay.
Let's draw Mira.
No,
One. Let's draw Mama.
yes, Mama.
Do Mama. Mama. Let me focus. Let me touch Mira. You make it.
I'll make over. No.
Mr. I thought. Yes. That. Hot. Then finally. I just did the 9. I tried from 9.1. But
Then हो गया.
yeah, मेरा मुंडन good. मेरा मुंडन before हो गया. Before you were born.
The answer is 8.8 meters square.
तुम्हें क्या लगता है ये वाला? पता आंसर मालूम नहीं होता.
From this question itself, answer is good.
Yeah.
How? See, they are doing. They are. Can you explain what you have done?
I did not give in more detail because of there is no more
Is that a
space.
drawing that you have done?
Which one?
Drawing.
No, I did not give any drawing.
Okay. Normally, when you have a problem or when you have a problem of this, how do you visualize? How
Here
do
is
you see?
already
Yes.
here is clear
Uh-huh.
the shape of the top surface of a table. Like there is a table, and the top surface is table is trapezium shape. So they are in question they are saying find the area of its parallel, find the area of that surface area, but and parallel side means like this is the trapezium shape. So this is the trapezium shape, and this side and this side are parallel. So one side is 1 meter and second side is 1.2 meter.
No, why are you removing it? Keep it. Because
One side is 1 meter and
it
second side
helps another learner to understand better what you are
and second
saying.
side is 1.2 meter, and the perpendicular distance between them is from here to here. Distance between is 0.8. So the formula is the perpendicular distance from Earth
What
to
is
Earth.
pen?
Mama
जो
Kuya.
meet करे
Mama
90 degree.
Kuya.
This one
Papa.
perpendicular height.
Mama Kuya.
Height of the trapezium from this side
and
to this
Papa.
side is 0.8. So the area of the trapezium formula is 1 by 2 multiplied by height plus a plus b. A plus b means the sum of a plus. I just take a number a plus b means the sum of one side and then plus sum of another side, another parallel side. I get a plus b. So then in height I put it 0.8 and 1 meter plus 1.2 meter and then I put here so it comes
We need to listen when a learner is speaking and doing the presentation.
2.2 meter and then I multiply this so it comes to 1.76. Sorry, here I have to write here meter. There is a mistake, meter square I have to write it. And then when I multiply, so it comes 1.765 and then I divide 8.8 meters.
It was there in that page. I had left it in that page.
देखने तो देती हमें
0.88 meter square. It is not. No, hard is same. It is wrong. But here it is wrong.
देखो हम
Eight
दोनों के
meters.
पास हो
There will be if I multiply by 100, so it comes 0.65200. Then if I calculate this, so it
होती
comes
होती बानों में और
16.
और
Here is the mistake. If I will remove this point, so when I remove this point, so there is after this one there is 2 digits. So there is 2 digits, so I will multiply by 100. So if I multiply by 100 in above, so I have to multiply 100 नीचे भी multiply करना होगा. So here it will be 176 and then here 200. So when I multiply this, divide this, it comes 88 by 100. So then I can put in 1, so it will be 0.88. And then it will be correct. Here is the mistake. For what?
You're looking at something else.
Are you looking at the question?
You're looking at another question. Why you want to give another question?
Which exercise did you do?
9.1.
Yeah.
Then I took 9.3.
Oh, 9.3 तो मैं पहुंची हूँ आज. उसका क्वेश्चन कहाँ से
9.3. Yeah. You white. But I'm dissolving. तब तक मैं इंग्लिश का बोलने पे
कहाँ?
In this chapter I have
Did you problem?
Can you help me understand this? Why?
5 of 5.
See, this exercise they are giving, okay? In fact,
only
0.8 they also have given, right? Okay. They are solving in a very different manner.
वो तो कंट्रोल है.
ये क्या है? What is
the area of the thread.
That
Exercise.
is talking about.
Oh, these are different exercises.
Yeah.
Huh?
different questions.
Okay.
One exercise.
In that
different
most hard.
These are different. You've done all these questions.
चलिए इसमें put here.
Okay, so you have used this formula 1 to h AB. So how did you understand that A and B is paired in this trapezium?
Trap.
What? How do you know which one is H, A, and B? Because that's the key, right? Once you know this, you just have to apply the formula. So how did you
This
know?
is the formula. And here is the they are talking about distance.
Yes.
This is the distance. So it will be height.
Yeah.
This is height, I know. So it will be height distance between one distance between perpendicular distance between them. Then is इनके बीच इन दोनों के बीच में distance है 0.8. So ये height है. So I take it from 0.8 height. I take it 0.8 height, 0.8 meter. And here it is a plus b. I just take it a plus b. Some of the parallel side, one parallel side, and then again second parallel side. So I did not write some of the one first parallel side, second parallel. I just take a and a plus b, which I saw in the physics parallel. So I take it a plus b, and in one side, there is like if this is the trapezium shape. So and this is 1 meter, and this is a little large from 1 meter, 1.2 meter. So I take it 1 meter, 1 meter, एक जगह पे 1 मीटर एंड एक जगह पे 1.2 मीटर.
Understood.
Very well confusing.
मुझे पूरा नहीं
जब आप पढ़ेंगे जब आप पढ़ेंगे वीडियो
yeah.
The area of a trapezium. What is area of a trapezium? You have learned what is area.
I know I have learned the area, but I do not learn the area of thread.
What is area?
Area is the thing. Area is the wait. I write it the definition.
Where you do?
My notebook.
I thought you were saying I wrote in my mind.
I wrote it in
You have it in your mind. You just it is in one box there. Check.
yeah. It is area is paid that thin that tower is paid with all its area.
Yeah, just calculating the area of the surface.
The area of the trapezium shape will filed in it 480 meters.
Now that's fine. So you have done Didi till where? You have done till here. Till 11.
This is
You have done till 11.
I did
Yeah,
more
the
than, but at that week I did.
Okay.
Okay, what? Okay, she's saying the others it's for
I will not
next
say
session.
I only say
Hmm.
yes, we do run.
Sorry, you're talking to Palveri or to me?
No.
So all of this you just apply the formula, right? Nothing mysterious. So in that way, this is simple because you knew that you have to apply this. They're asking the
It is
area.
simple because I did it, but before that.
once you know, okay, this is the formula I have to apply, they are not asking me anything else. I just have to apply the formula. So, and in that way, it was clear. Hmm. Oh, this one is interesting. What about 11? It says diagram of the adjacent picture frame has outer dimensions 24 by 28 and inner dimensions of 16 by 20. Find the area of each section of the frame if the width of each section is same. What do you understand by
Wait, I have
that? You don't need to write the whole
diagram of the adjacent frame. The outer dimension is outer dimension. And inner dimension is okay. Then find the area of each section of the frame. Is confusion. If the width of each section is same. Each section is same. How is it? This is less and this is good. This one is if the width of each section is same.
What do
I
you
did this. Here I was also confused. I searched on Google.
Let's search in Google and I did that.
Yeah, I got the answer. Again I confused. If the width of each section is
You boy?
same.
Boy?
But again, here till I understand. But this one,
which sentence is not clear?
if the width of each section is same.
Okay. That is why drawings are very important.
Here you already give the drawing.
Yes. So what is width? चौड़ाई. तो चौड़ाई क्या है?
इसमें, but there are two different.
हाँ.
So
it is also asking you the area of both, right?
Yeah,
It is asking
area
you
of both.
area of
That
both.
is
So
simple.
then width will also be different. For one, the area will be one, and the other area should be different, isn't it?
Yes, different area. You are talking about area.
हाँ.
Area is different. Yeah,
Area will be different.
Yeah, area will be different.
But they said width is not different.
If they are saying width, if the width is each section
हाँ.
is
एक का एक और दूसरा का दूसरा ना.
एक, but width दोनों का अलग अलग है. Different width. But you are saying if the width of each section is same, which section I don't understand. That is simple. I can found, but there I can't.
But never both.
Find the area of each section of the frame. If the width of each section is same. Yes. So here what we are when they say width, what do you understand? A and B. That's it. And this will be the height. So what they are saying, so sometimes maths is just a trick of game of words.
I think they are talking about this one.
24.
Each section.
Huh.
Yeah, this one I think.
This is 28. That is the height. That is the formula. The height is separate. Here you are finding A plus B.
Which is the height?
Can't give you.
Height is height.
Can't give you.
Oh.
But
How tall it is. Right? And A plus B, as per what you have given in your previous example, you chose the ones which are perpendicular. 1 and 1.2. So here what will be perpendicular? 24 and 24. Because they don't mention it because it is the same. So that is a.
If I am taking only this section, here it will be 24, but here it will be 16.
Yes, but the height of this one is 20. So what? Maybe I'm wrong, but what I'm understanding is that it is telling what is the area of this and what is the area of this. So two different areas.
I saw that now. Two different. They are talking about each section width. Each section same. Means they are that width जो इसका ये है 24 होगा. Then it will be also 24. It will be also 24.
Here how it will be 16 and this will be 16. इसका same होगा और इसका. So these are two different, right? Find diagram of the adjacent picture frame has outer dimension. Outer एक तो outer वाला है
This one.
हाँ 24 by 28 and inner dimension
This one.
is 16 by 20. Find the area of each section. तो एक तो outer वाला और दूसरा inner वाला. So we have to find the area of the outer, then find the area of the inner. Knowing that,
Talking about each section. This one.
sorry,
I don't think they are talking about this section. This one or this one. Maybe this one they are talking about 1, 2, 3, 4.
just I'm wondering whether there are two answers in it or not, because that will clarify one doubt that I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4. Yes, there are two answers are there,
4 answers are there.
but two are same and two are same.
This two are same. This two are same. Now I understand.
Yeah.
This one are same. This one are same. Same formula I will apply here also.
Yes. Yes.
And from height I will take where it is 20. So I will take 20. So 8 बचेगा. And here 8 का ये भी उतना ही है. Then this both are looking same. So I will when I divide from 2 it will be 4. So the height will be 4 centimeter. Understand?
No.
Total length है 28 centimeter. Here it is 20 centimeter. When I minus 20 centimeter from 28 centimeter, तो मैं इसमें सीधे इसको मैं 28 निकाल के 8 बचेगा 8 centimeter. This height and this height are same, looking same. So when I divide by 2, it will come 4 centimeter. So the height from this side will be 4 centimeter. दोनों का 4 centimeter. And then when I think when उसके बाद अगर when I solve नहीं वो उसमें नहीं देगा. We can solve it. We can take from here. Like half into x into a plus b. So if I take 1 by 2, height is 4 centimeter, and one side is 16 plus one side is 24 centimeter. So 1 by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 60. So 20, 30, 40 centimeter. Then it can divide to 4. And here it will be also centimeter. So here it will be 80 centimeter square. Now you can see there is one answer will be 80 centimeter square. Same answer here also applied 80 centimeter, and these both answers are same and different. These both are same and these both are same.
So the other one,
if I am taking
make it on the side.
here, okay. Another question or another side?
Sorry?
Another side. Which one you are talking about?
Another side.
Another side. So there is 1 plus 2 multiplied by 2. One is 28 centimeter and second is how much is second? There 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. One by 2 plus multiply by 4 centimeter and plus 48 centimeter. 48 centimeter. Then divide from here. 4. So 2 is 16, 4 is
My question is, where are you getting this 4 from? Why
Actually,
are you understanding that the height here is divided by 2? Because the dimension is here.
So I'm not taking by that. Like this is the you can say length, 28 centimeter total, and here it is 20 centimeter. So when I take out 20 centimeter, 8 centimeter will be left.
Yeah.
And this, when you
Same
see
for here.
same from here.
Yeah.
So these are two. दो जगह का अगर हमें हाइट निकालना है, so we can divide by 2. We will divide by 2. So
जब हमें 2 जगह का निकालना है, we can divide by 2.
अगर इसका हाइट अलग है, मतलब ये दो, इसका एक अलग है, एक अलग है, तो ये दो हुए, दोनों का हाइट हमें निकालना है, क्योंकि हमें दोनों का नहीं पता है और दोनों हमें सेम लग रहे हैं. यहाँ पे हमारे पास बचा है 8 सेंटीमीटर. 8 सेंटीमीटर में से हमें दोनों का हाइट निकालना है, तो अगर हम डिवाइड अगर इसका 2 से कर देंगे तो इसका हमें आ जाएगा 4 सेंटीमीटर.
बट यहाँ का तो वही होगा ना, 24 minus 16 is also 8. ये भी तो 8 हो जाता है. Why should we divide it by 2? जब यहाँ पे the same way that you said this is 8, this is also 8.
चारों का हाइट आपका 40 सेंटीमीटर होगा. आपको अगर इसका भी, अगर आप इस हिसाब से देखते हैं, आपको when you will see this 4 section are same, height is looking same. So अगर इस हिसाब से 24 minus 16 अगर 8 आ रहा है, तो इसमें से भी 8 आ रहा है, बट I just think कि इसको मैंने कुछ आगे हो सकता है, बट आपने अलग तरीके से किया, मैंने अलग तरीके से किया. मैंने इन दोनों को हाफ हाफ डिवाइड कर दिया है, जिसकी वजह से हमारा 4 आ रहा है, बट आपका यहाँ पे 8 आ रहा है, बट 4 आ रहा है. हाइट इसका 4 सेंटीमीटर है.
I mean, I'm see, everything is good, but I'm failing to understand the logic why to divide it by 2.
Because we are taking 2 sections, we are finding 2 sections,
But
height of 2 sections.
if this is you are saying that this is 8. तो ये भी 8
नहीं,
होगा.
4 आएगा, 4 आएगा.
ये 20 है, ये 28 है, तो that means this is 8.
बट 4 आएगा.
ये भी 8 होना चाहिए, ये भी 8 होना चाहिए.
बट 8 नहीं हो, इसका हाइट 8 नहीं है, इसका हाइट 4 सेंटीमीटर है. Then you will see, अगर आप ध्यान से देखते हैं, इसका लेंथ 28 सेंटीमीटर है, 20 हमने निकाल दिया, 8 बचा. ये भी सेम है, ये भी सेम है, 2 सेक्शन है, 2 सेक्शन का हमें लाइक अगर हमें लाइक आई कैन गिव एग्जांपल, अगर हमें ये एक सर्कल है, सर्कल का ये टोटल अगर 14 है, हमें रेडियस फाइंड करना है, एंड वी नो दैट ये रेडियस में ये एक अलग लाइन होता है, ये एक अलग लाइन होता है.
Yes, yes.
तो हम इसे 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं, so we can find 7 आएगा. Same thing I apply here also. 8
This
centimeter
is like a frame. We are talking of a frame.
but there is also we are finding of 2 section, height of 2 section. If you are finding only of 1 section, तो उसका 8 सेंटीमीटर ही होता है, but we are finding height of 2 section. तो यहाँ पे जब 8 को अगर आप हाफ हाफ करते हैं, ऐसे समझते हैं 28 सेंटीमीटर है, जब ये पार्ट निकल जाएगा कितना बचेगा? 8 सेंटीमीटर. 8 सेंटीमीटर में से ये और ये सेम है, तो इसको 8 सेंटीमीटर से आधा इसमें भी जाएगा, आधा इसमें भी जाएगा. जो ये लाइन है, ये लाइन में से इतना इस लाइन में जाएगा हाइट का, और इतना इस लाइन में जाएगा, और इतना तो हमने 20 निकाल दिया है. तो 20 निकाल दिया, ये दोनों सेम है, तो यहाँ पे 4 होंगे तभी तो 8 आएगा.
Not fully clear, but I guess that you must have done your research about it. That is why you are so convinced, and that conviction is also important. So that's fine enough.
अगर ऐसे लाइक देयर इज अ रेक्टेंगल.
ये क्या है? What are you using?
मिठाई
कहाँ से मिला है?
वहाँ से
कहाँ से?
गोपाल
Let me see what it is.
बेस्ट मिठाई.
Okay.
Like let's say here is 28 centimeter and this is 20 centimeter. निकालना हो, but we can take this line is from here space and this space as equal.
Yes,
Equal,
fine.
we can take this space or this
Yes.
space is equal. And
Oh,
here is 20
the mountain.
and
This
we
is
have,
of your pen.
and this is what, sorry, this is I just take उसको अभी छोड़ देते हैं, जैसे मैंने अभी एग्जांपल लिया, जैसे दिस इज अ रेक्टेंगल, रेक्टेंगल का ये एक रेक्टेंगल है एंड आई कैन से यहाँ पे एक अलग रेक्टेंगल है, ये छोटा है बड़ा है,
That looks like the frame. One, अच्छा.
is like वहाँ पे trapezium है, ये मैंने rectangle
Okay.
है. So we have to find the height from, let's say we have to find the length of यहाँ का जो नंबर है कितना यहाँ पे सेंटीमीटर है लाइन और कितना यहाँ पे सेंटीमीटर है लाइन, दोनों हमें we know that we can see these both are same line and here if you are take out 20 centimeter from 28 centimeter, here it will be 8 centimeter.
So what is exactly 8 centimeters for you?
8 centimeter.
Is it this section
No, no,
from
no.
here to here?
No. This is the line. This is the line, and this is the another line. We have to find the how much centimeter is these lines, and
These two lines,
these
this
two lines.
and this.
So we have to find these two lines. How much centimeter is this?
Ah, yes, that way, yes. That way I understood. That is 8, so 4 and 4.
Yes.
That
The
way,
same thing
yes.
is there also.
Hmm.
That is shape is hexagon like this.
Hmm.
Like this. Maybe there you can be confused, but if it is like this, वो अगर आप ऐसे करेंगे तब भी ये वहाँ पे ट्रेपेजियम का शेप दे दिया है, and that's why you are confusing. And here मैंने rectangle का शेप दिया है, यहाँ पे आपको clear कर दिया. Same thing is also there.
ये फूल डिफरेंट, ये फूल अच्छा है.
Good.
ये फूल is different with the babies of the mother. अच्छा.
Hare
Not good.
So this is still where we have done today, right? Is there anything else?
No.
If you want to put out the video, you can.